Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to change language on FedEx account. In order to change your language setting on FedEx, you'll first need to do it on a web browser. Open up a web browser of your preference and inside the URL box type in fedex.com. Soon after you press on the enter button, you will then find yourself in the home page of FedEx. Scroll all the way down at the bottom of the screen and click on the drop down. Now, change the language that is available from the display and you will then be able to change your language on FedEx. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.